All right, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. My name's Austin. In today's video, I want to share with you the biggest news involving Bitcoin, involving Ethereum, involving CryptoPunks, Chainlink, Polygon, lower cap altcoins, and much more. If you're interested in making money with cryptocurrency, hit subscribe, join us on a road to 1 million, and let's jump in. Starting with our top story of the day, the Legislative Assembly of El Salvador has just approved their 150 million Bitcoin trust. So El Salvador's government has set aside 23.3 million towards rolling out crypto ATMs around the country and another 30 million to incentivize the use of the state-backed Shiva wallet. So this is major because this is the first time in history that a government has set aside millions of dollars to onboard their citizens into Bitcoin. And let me just put this into perspective. I want to play you two clips, 30 seconds each, one of President Trump's recent thoughts on cryptocurrency from just a few days ago, so the US's perspective, followed by the recent signing of what we just saw in El Salvador with Bitcoin. Watch this.
Do you ever dabble in Bitcoin or cryptos?
I don't. I like the currency of the United States. I think it's, I think the others are potentially a disaster waiting to happen. I don't know. I feel that it hurts the United States currency. I think we should strengthen, we should be invested in our currency, not in, they may be fake. Who knows what they are? But they certainly are currencies. They certainly are something that people don't know very much about. No, I have not been, a big fan.
Queda aprobada la ley de creación de fideicomiso Bitcoin.
Interesting stuff. And guys, this is nothing we didn't expect. This is the game theory. Obviously, the smaller countries with less to lose are going to be more inclined to adopt this first. Give me your thoughts, comment right now down below. And moving forward, some of the biggest news for Ethereum. Off-Chain Labs has just launched Arbitrum 1's mainnet, as well as secured $120 million in funding. So this is an Ethereum scaling solution that was highly anticipated. This is a layer 2, and already more than 400 teams are already building on Arbitrum 1. So Ethereum holders, we have talked about this, it has finally happened, that Arbitrum 1 has finally completed the public mainnet launch of its optimistic rollup solution. So obviously this is a big deal, huge for ETH scalability, but also check out some of the names now backing this latest fundraising round. With heavyweight crypto investors Polychain Capital, Pantera Capital, Alameda Research, and Mark Cuban. So they said they like it, they're going to invest in it, they're supporting it. And in a direct quote on why some of these investors chose to invest, Off-Chain Labs' dedication to the Ethereum developer community is second to none, and they have the best, easiest to use scalability product. That's why over 400 projects have already chosen to launch with Arbitrum, including Reddit. So Ethereum holders, obviously this is the big deal. Another green flag that just happened with Ethereum is Hollywood agency UTA, United Talent Agency, has just signed CryptoPunks. So the agency will represent the NFT project for appearances in film, TV, video games, and publishing. Pretty cool. Could we see CryptoPunks now in the next Tarantino movie? In the next Damien Chazelle movie? We absolutely could, if you now go through the agent, of course. The high-powered entertainment agency represents CryptoPunks and will also represent Meebits, Autoglyphs, and 2 other NFT projects created by Larva Labs. But Austin, wait a minute. I thought cryptocurrency was supposed to be open-sourced, decentralized. Yes, I get this as a brand, but is this not for everybody? Well, licensing rights have often been a controversial topic in the NFT sector, because they are often seen as antithetical to its decentralization and permissionless nature. Larva Labs, specifically, has been aggressive in enforcing its intellectual property rights, as it has issued claims under the Digital Millennium Copyright Act So they're saying that CryptoPunks is our brand, we own the licensing, and we want to get paid for it if it's ever used. Give me your thoughts down below, and just as a reminder, if you want to learn how to make money with NFTs, I will link this down below. We talk how to make money with NFTs, finding the next CryptoPunks. Link down below. All right, next up, we're talking about lower cap altcoins, basic attention token news, Chainlink news, and of course, the biggest piece of news involving Polygon. Coinbase to use Ethereum scaling solution Polygon to reduce prices and settlement times on their exchange. So this is the #1 US exchange in the world, throwing huge support to Polygon. While an exact date for the L2 integration has not been made public yet, they have announced through their blog post that they will be integrating with MATIC. The engineering team at the US crypto exchange Coinbase plans to integrate Polygon's L2 scaling solution within the exchange platform. This move marks a first for Coinbase's protocol team, which will attempt to reduce high prices and long-term settlement times. And then how this affects you? This integration with Coinbase will allow exchange users to withdraw directly onto a supported L2 solution, namely Polygon. Obviously, if you like MATIC, you like this. And final thoughts on this piece of news. The aim is to help level the playing field while ensuring retail users don't get priced out of being able to participate in this budding ecosystem. So obviously, big green flag for the future of Polygon. Give me your thoughts down below. But moving on, very similar piece of news for Chainlink. Chainlink price feeds are now available on optimistic Ethereum, which is of course another scaling solution, and the Chainlink feeds will now be native to optimistic Ethereum, providing developers with low-cost price updates in real time. And this is cool because optimistic Ethereum is choosing Chainlink. They're giving their support to Chainlink for one big reason, which is to give developers a better user experience. The link will allow developers to build DeFi applications using Chainlink feeds, known as oracles, which provide on-chain data for crypto prices aggregated from hundreds of exchanges. That's what Chainlink provides. And this integration will allow DeFi applications to migrate over to optimistic Ethereum with minimal changes to their code. So now if developers want to tap in to the Ethereum ecosystem, but they don't want the high fees, this Chainlink integration aims to provide the same data quality and reliability as on the Ethereum base layer, but at a lower cost with more frequent updates. Hey, this is a very bullish sign. Link Marines, let me know your thoughts. But let's keep moving. On to lower cap altcoins. And by the way, long-term subscribers know this, but just as a reminder, just for complete transparency, always assume I'm invested in these coins. I'm invested in Chainlink and Fear and Realm and Ethereum, of course. So long-term subscribers already know this, but always just something to keep in mind. Next piece of news on play-to-earn gaming coin Fear. The new character of Whiskey is coming in our major Clucking Hell play-to-earn game update for Whack Your Undead Neighbor, and he's not one of those softy Fear dogs. He will eat your chickens for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. To activate him in the game, you will need to hold 20 Fear in your wallet. But ever since Axie Infinity, play-to-earn games obviously a huge trend, and it's just interesting to see how this space keeps developing. And next piece of news for lower cap altcoin Polkastarter, Realm has announced its IDO on Polkastarter, so obviously they too see the revolution in play-to-earn games. Just as a reminder, Realm, it's an NFT play-to-earn platform allowing gamers, artists, and collectors to create their own NFT microverses, and it's a utility token as much as a governance token. And Polkastarter has chose them next. Give me your thoughts down below on which launchpads you like. Do you like Polkastarter, or are you more of a Trust Swap or a Binance launchpad person? Next piece of news for basic attention token. Brave users now have a new way to cash out their BAT after viewing ads. So crypto browser Brave has further integrated with Gemini. And here are the details. Gemini announced today that Brave rewards users can get their BAT tokens they earn deposited straight into their Gemini accounts via the Gemini user wallet. Just as a reminder, Brave browser is a privacy browser, and if you choose to enable ads, Each ad that the customer, you, agree to watch for yourself nets you a potential small amount of basic attention token for giving up your attention. So you can get paid for surfing the internet if you opt in and watch the ads. And that's always been cool, but the problem has always been, well, there's such limited ways to actually cash out. Brave Rewards already integrates with 2 other custodial wallets, Uphold, and for Japanese users, Bitflyer, but that was it. Well, now, if you're in the US, you have an equally as strong of option as Uphold. Gemini now gives that functionality. But that is the video. My name's Austin. Like always, see you tomorrow. And by the way, I know we have said this many times before, but if we missed a piece of news or if there's an altcoin you want covered, we read the comments. I want to cover the whole market. I want to cover the interesting projects. So feel free. I'll be looking down below in the comments. See you tomorrow.